Hello everyone, today's videos I am going to sharing with you Google Ads asset or extension. Google Ads has many types of extension like Sitelink extension, Callout extension, call extension, image extension and more. So today's videos I am talking about when we should use it as well as why this extension important for our ads. All everything I am talking about in our videos. So let's start these videos. At first we need to go the asset level, and you see here, and if I go the plus icon, you see here we have many various types of extension like image, business name, business logo, site link, headline, description, call out, structure, snippet, call, headline, message, location, price, app, promotion. So at first I am talking the image extension, like I am select a campaign, then I click image. Like when people see our ads, then they see also the image, the services image. I just select this image and click to save. And as a people when see the phone, you see here the selected phone, they see these types, and the PC they see these types. And I'm click to cancel, then I'm again go to the plus icon, then go to the business name. All services have business name, so you need to put here the business name, then the business logo. All of companies have a business logo, good logo, so you need to putting that. It will be showing the name left side. Click to cancel, then the site link. Like site link extension is too much important for our ads. As much as possible you use, we can put here, like I think the 20 site link extension. I do not explain it. So we need to text like the full house renovations, then need also a URL kbc.com. So it will be showing like this type, headline, then description, then the extension. This will be the phone, and it is the PC, like headline, description and the extension. You see here full house renovation, I text there and it showing the ads under. I click to close it, then click again, and there is the headline. Basically when we run ads, we can put here like we can use here 15 headlines, but you can also use here on extra headline anything. Like you can use here the offer, and when offer will be gone, then you can delete the headline. And as well as the description we can use for description, but you can also add here on extra description, also headline. And the next is call out. The call out extension, like you can showing here your business presence, like your business habits, feature, benefits, all everything. Like you have your business will be starting like 15 years, as well as you have 12-year experience worker, etc. Like I click here, we have 15 outlet in USA. It need it under 25 character. You see here the phone showing here, headline, then description, side this extension, also the PC. You can add here I think 20 also on the site link extension. I click to untick that, Then the structure snippet. Structure snippet also kind of the callout extension. You can, if your service category, you need to select her service category, like for my business service based, so you can use here like value, like your business's social proof, or like your businesses, your services feature benefit, like 24-hour available. So you see here it's showing like of the callout extension, and I untick that. Then the another is call extension, like you can you need to put their number like 01, that's it, and it will be shown your ads under like first headline, then description, then the call extension, and it will be showing phone and PC also. And then is lead from, like you but for the service based business, you have lead from, like so you can use lead from extension. I select discard. Then the message extension, you can use here the many service based business have WhatsApp, like their primary goal is WhatsApp or secondary goal is WhatsApp. Then you can select here WhatsApp message extension, like it will be showing here the headline, description, then WhatsApp message on kind of the call extension types, as well as you can use here the messengers, the Meta's platform, the Facebook platform messengers, you can use that, and it will be showing on kind of WhatsApp message. And you can use here starter message, like how can I help you, etc. I untick that. Then the location, like when you need to use that, you need a GMB profile. Like if I go to the location, I already added the GMB profile for this Google Ads account as a location extension already added, that's why it not showing. So when you add here the GMB Google business profile account, then it showing the your ads the right side or the ads under. And then here the price, like you can this extension use, you can showing your product price, like e-commerce it's good. Then the app, like app, when when you have a e-commerce business or have a service business, you have a app, you can use app extension. And the promotion, like you have a special offer, as well as you can sell a product with offer, then you can use this extension. So this is the extension purpose. And the next question is why we need to use the extension. Like Google said, when you use the enough extension, like Sitelink, callout, image, business name, business logo, then structure, snippet, call, message extension, location extension, the conversion rate for your ads conversion rate will be increased 5 to 10%. It's really very important for us. And when we need to use this extension, when the like when you set up your ads, then that's time you need to use this all kind of extension, like enough extension. When which extension for your service relevant, or your products relevant. So yeah, that's it for today. If you have any question or need any help, just contact with me on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video.